So I got naturalist Rajah Amore with me, and he's a lover of cheese. And since going vegan, he wanted something to fill that gap, and through a dear friend's recipe, he's created his own vegan cashew cheese. You don't believe me? You're going to find out in a minute. Morning, Rajah.
Hey, greetings.
How are you doing?
Peace, love, and light.
When you say naturalist, tell me what you mean. And when and why did you become a naturalist?
Really and truly, something happened to me a few years ago that really shook me up.
Yeah.
I would say I'm young.
You are.
And something happened to me that really put things into perspective for me. You know, I got a health scare, and I had to move away from certain things that I normally eat and move towards a more natural side.
Wow.
Of things.
So life altering.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. But what I love about it is that you claimed it, and now here you are. And this is what you're doing, so I love it. Tell me a little bit about Rajah. Roger, as your government name, but you say Rajah, so tell me about
Rajah. I am a lover of people.
Nice.
As I'll tell a lot of persons that meet me, and they'll see for themselves. I like food. You know, I love when I can make something and see the face on it when you enjoy it. Yeah. You know, I love playing a little sports here and there, and I'm very, very competitive. All right. So that's a little bit about me.
And you're also a lover of cheese?
Yes. All right. Most people don't know this. I used to love KFC. Like, I used to have KFC number. Yeah. Call him.
90% of Jamaicans.
And they'd have my order, and if no cheese is on the zinger, I wouldn't eat it.
What?
That's how much I love cheese.
Then Easter time you get where?
Get where.
Oh my God.
So what? Not eating all those stuff anymore. I had to find a substitute.
Yeah.
You know,
and so you decided that the competitive nature in you decided I'm not going to make life beat me. I'm a love for cheese, you know. Yeah. So I'm going to come up with something. Why did your friend decide to send you the recipe?
So I started this Instagram channel where I make food, healthy stuff, put up. And she said, you know what, I love cheese, but I can't eat cheese anymore because she's going natural side as well. Yeah. So she asked me to make it and see how it tastes. Mm-hmm. I tried it, used one bag of wrong ingredients.
Never work.
And it just blew up.
You used the wrong ingredients and what do you mean blow up?
I used active yeast.
My God.
Instead of nutritional yeast.
It was a volcano.
Yeah, so it blew up.
Yeah, but you weren't daunted. You decided not going to do that.
I showed her and she said, why it look like that?
Yeah.
I said, this muse. And she said, no. She laughed me to scorn.
I said, that no work. Yeah. Are there a lot of vegan cheese options available in Jamaica?
I don't think so. I don't think so. I've yet to see like 5. I've yet to see 5.
Probably pretty much the same.
Yeah.
The same. And some of them is like the sliced cheese too.
Yeah.
Right.
So, you can go ahead.
No, I was going to say, so there's not much. Yeah. And that's the challenge I have, you know. Mm-hmm. For a country like Jamaica, you want to go natural, you want to know Kerry, big up Kerry. Just there are there's a few people who are saying, listen, this is the way we can do it. Mm-hmm. I'm hungry, I'm a people them. How do you do it? And so you've joined that movement and I love it. Yeah, so, did you know about cashew cheese before?
No, it was
pretty new to you?
Completely new to me. I said, cashew cheese? What is this foolishness? But I did try it and end up loving it.
How many times you tried before you get it right?
I'm not going to boast, but skill when it comes to my hand.
Rajah, tell me how much time you tried before you get it right. Come and taste this morning.
I tried it twice. The second time my mommy loved it. Okay. And if my mommy said she loves something.
All right. So. And mommy not got biased because Rajah.
She's really blunt.
She said, Rajah, this not work.
Yeah,
like me. I love mommy. Morning, mommy. Bigger. All right, so it's cheese. And typically what we use cheese in dips, we use cheese to accompany certain things. Yeah. This is vegan cashew. Yeah. What can we put it with?
So the reason why I named it Spread Out, many might be thinking,
it named Spread Out.
Spread
Out. Oh, Lord Jesus.
I had a lot of names on the board. Amore dip. ITAL dip, but it didn't really stand out to me, And why we named it Spread Out is that it can spread on anything, basically. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so
you can put it on anything, bun, biscuit, right now, yeah.
Except soup. Can't put it in soup.
Can't put it in soup?
Yeah, don't put it in soup.
You never know. you never know. French onion soup, a bit of cheese on it up. Try it, Rajah, try it. You never know. Sometimes when I get options of things that are not quite the thing. When me taste it, me say, This is not it. I mean, no, it's an option, but when I eat this, am I going to say, Rajah, this is not cheese, but me like it? Will I miss cheese if I have this in my house?
I don't think so.
You don't think I'm going to miss cheese?
Like a lot of persons have tried it and say, yo, surprisingly. They had expectations really low, but it really blew their expectations because it tasted like cheese.
So is this going to be in stores?
Yes, very, 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 very soon.
Very, very soon.
Very, very soon. Yeah.
All right, but so apart from this, what are some of the other things that you do?
All right, so apart from the spread out, I do wraps, natural wraps, raw wraps made from dates and onions. So I'd blend them together, put them in a dehydrator and dehydrate, and that would be the base for your wrap.
Oh.
You know, and put a lot of vegetable, add the spread out cheese to it. It's really nice. Believe me, really nice.
What?
Yeah. Oh.
So go on. So after me taste it this morning, I taste it. I say it tastes good. People are going to want to buy it. So where would they get spread out?
So we're in Old Harbour and Kingston. You can just shoot us a DM on Instagram, Amore Ital Living, or you can send me a message on WhatsApp and we can get it to you right there and then.
So Amore with the e.ital.living, and you will get it out. All right. Rajah, are the right person. Them send you to this man in the because me tell my floor manager, say me now test this cheese here. This.
Before you go that one, I don't want to
go with this one.
I want to go with this one.
Why? No, tell me the difference.
This one, these chips that I use with this one, it really brings out the flavor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Thank you.
All right. I'm saying the chips bring out the flavor, people. See it now. No. I'm going to taste it by itself first, and then I'm going to taste it with the chips.
Okay.
It's nice. It tastes like flavored cheese, too.
Ah, yes. So,
is it a little spicy?
Yes, that was a surprise.
Yeah.
A little spice in it to give it that little kick.
I'm trying to figure out what else in it.
I can't tell you.
No, tell me. Let me try this. Coconut is in it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, well, from coconut and spice, tonight it win. Jamaica people, coconut and spice, you're Thai. Thank you very much. So please, you know me love telling us to support Jamaican businesses. Go online, amore.ital.living. Vegan, cashew cheese. I take up so much of the cheese, I forgot to take off some. Mighty God. Thank you so much, Rajah.
Thank you. Give thanks.
Yeah, mommy, God bless you for keeping him honest. Or else it wouldn't taste so good. All right, after the break, what do we have? We're styling those summer shorts. If you want to wear the shorts, try the vegan cheese. Keep the legs and the waist slimming. We'll soon come back.